So this is another episode of our Srad build, and here we have our new cylinder, which is going to be mounted on our engine soon. As you can see, we flattened the mating surfaces quite nice, so this is all even and shiny. And these are going to be the new pistons that go in there. Let me just get the old ones for comparison. These here are the old pistons that came out of the engine, we just dismantled earlier. As you can see, those are the same shape, everything. They look the same as we got them. So we put them in an ultrasonic bath to clean them up. And then they're all new and shiny. So we measured them to make sure we don't get oversized pistons, which you can get. So these are all like the standard measurement, standard size, which the bikes come with originally. And we measured each bore, and they're all fine, good to go. They fit inside this cylinder. One more thing we need to do is, normally, like when you use standard valves, which a Suzuki engine has, those valves have like little pockets in there. I'm just gonna get some valves and show you. That's a better way to do it. So here we have some. Here we have some old and dirty Srad valves, 750, and here you see those. That's too goddamn bright. Let's move it like so. Here you see those dishes in the valves, and corresponding to that, of course, the pistons have these things here, and those sit in there. The thing is, we have on our new cylinder head, which I'm going to show you later, we're going to use flat valves. So we ordered some valves in England, racing exhaust valves with a slightly different valve profile. Should be lighter than these ones and more durable. So we use those for the exhaust side because those get hot. So what we need to do with our pistons is we need to grind this away. So basically this is like flat. So that our new valves don't interfere with this piston geometry. That's what I'm going to do now. So what you're gonna do is, or what I'm going to do, is I just take the good old Dremel. I'm just going to sand off these pieces here. On later we're going to polish the whole thing so it's all nice and even, and if I do a good job, maybe you just can't see it anymore that there was something at the beginning. So fast forward.